Welcome to our channel to enhance electrical knowledge about star delta. Stay tuned for actual star delta operation. A star delta starter is a method used to start large induction motors smoothly. Why? Because starting a motor directly can cause a huge current surge, up to 6 to 8 times the rated current. That's bad for the motor and the power system. Here's how it works. First, the motor starts in star connection. This reduces the voltage to each winding to about 58%, so the starting current is much lower. After a few seconds, once the motor gains speed, the system automatically switches to delta connection. Now the motor receives full line voltage and runs at full power. This whole process is done using a timer, contact. It's simple, cost-effective, and widely used for motors above 5 horsepower, especially in industries like water pumping, conveyors, and fans. Please subscribe the channel